Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I have REALME 12 Pro and I want to show you how fix the problem when your game not visible on your Google Play Store as in my situation. If you have the same problem as mine, you search your game but it is not visible, you must go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There's Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have PG3. To fix our problem we need to change it from PG3 to maybe PG16. To do that we tap on it, now we must enter connect pin to our parental control and there tap on PG16, confirm I got it and save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And now our game will be visible and we can install it. See you soon, bye!